Okay, so anybody coming off a sleeper berth or off-duty time, the best way to get into the pre-trip mode on your PeopleNet is by pressing on duty, not driver. And then wait just a couple of seconds, and then change status again, and then on duty driver. And this way you can actually get in here to request DVR. Takes a couple seconds. And then once you're in here, you'll hit next, and you'll select the truck and the trailer and hit no defects, or if there is a defect, you'll enter that in right here, and then just click next, and then click save to drive, and then click finish right here. And then as the time goes by, approximately 10 to 15 minutes or so, or even 30 minutes, however long it takes you to normally do a pre-trip inspection, sit here and do that before moving the truck. Also, rest break button, you have to stay in the sleeper for 10 hours. And depending on your driving history and how much time you have left, you have to hit sleeper berth through this button. This is pointless and worthless because it starts your clock no matter what. If you have to put your truck in a shop like a Freightliner, I would suggest logging off, because if they have to do a test drive, they are going to start your clock, and then they're not going to know how to get you off your clock, and they're going to leave you on duty, not driver, and then you will have no clock when you get back in your truck. If you ever have to go to Walmart or to a truck stop, you would use this button here, and that's pretty simple. You would just hit this button, type in your canned response of what you're going to be doing, and then press OK or submit. But it has to be a word of 4 letters or more. Driver options. If you edit your logs on your phone and then it hasn't updated on your system, you need to request your logs. I'm not sure what all this stupid shit is. I've never used it. Resources. Make sure it either says empty or remove it and put something on here like a load information, what kind of freight you're hauling, a bill of lading number. You would stick it right here, all this information right here. Click done, and then once you have information here, you would hit add. Make sure your vehicle is correct. Make sure you have the right information. Make sure your trailer number that you have is the correct trailer number. Also, if you have multiple trailer numbers for that day, it's best to leave the previous trailer number on here until the end of the day, and then click remove before you go to bed, or you take a break somewhere, then you can remove it. If you're running teams, this is where you would add an extra person. You can also do a manual DVR right here. And to check your logs, you would click this button here, and you can see your timeline of what's going on. The only bad thing about using this is there's no option like for a recap, so you can't see your recap for the week. that's all I got for everybody. Hopefully everybody can figure out these logs if you're new to this game. If not, you're coming from a Qualcomm or trucker, whatever application you're using. This is just to help you out.